Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm sharing with you how I created this lovely centerpiece using a Dollar Tree hula hoop. If you would like to see how I create this beautiful and elegant piece, then continue to keep on watching. And if you're just stopping in or browsing through and you have not yet subscribed, please go ahead and click that subscribe button now. We would love to have you over here at Hanna Watkins TV. Please also make sure that your notification bell is turned on. All right, you guys, let's get into this video. Okay guys, so to get started, of course we need the main thing to create this DIY, which is a hula hoop from the Dollar Tree. Now you must hurry up because summer is coming to an end very soon and they're already putting out their fall items. So you want to hurry up and grab you one of these hula hoops while they are in stock. Now you're going to take the paper off of the hula hoop so you can find the center, and you want to separate it. Then we're going to take some moss and some hot glue and adhere the moss to the hula hoop. Be very careful because the hot glue will be extremely hot and you will need to use a hot temperature hot glue so that the moss will stay on the hula hoop. Now I'm sure that you can use some other sort of glue to adhere the moss to the hula hoop, but I just found that using the hot glue would be a lot easier, yet riskier, but a lot easier and quicker. Alright you guys, so make sure that you don't put the moss on the very end where the connector piece is, because we want to leave that free so we can adhere it to another piece in a second. So what I'm going to do now is cut off some strips of bling. Now you can use whatever bling you want to use. I like to use what I have on hand so I don't waste. And I bought this bling from I believe it was AC Moore, so a craft store, and I'm sure you can find it on Amazon as well. And this piece that you guys see that I am about to glue these pieces on, this little tealight candelabra, I picked this up from my local thrift store the other day, and I got it for, I think it was $3.99. Lovely piece, and this is going to be my first DIY using it. So if you have not seen that Goodwill haul, then look up above or check the description box below, and I should have a link for you to go check that out if you're interested. Okay guys, so you're going to need a styrofoam square like this. You can pick it up from any craft store, and you can also get them from the Dollar Tree. So you want to disconnect your hoop and insert each end into the side of the styrofoam, pressing it in as far as you can possibly get it, and then securing it with hot glue around the ends where you insert it into the square. Alright, so I'm going to take this glass cylinder that I thrifted from my local Goodwill for 99¢. I'm going to add some hot glue to the bottom and adhere it to the top of the styrofoam using a little bit of pressure, making sure that it adheres nicely. Then I'm going to cover it up with more moss. Now I'm going to add some acrylic gems to the arch of the top of the hula hoop using hot glue. These gems, I picked up the link part of it from Amazon, and the little gem on the bottom I added to the link, and I got those from Hobby Lobby. You guys just add the gems to whatever design that you're satisfied with, and be careful because the hot glue is of course hot. I cannot stress that enough. Alright family, so go ahead now and add your flowers, and you could put your flowers on this creation any kind of way you want. However, I wanted mine to go around the perimeter or the bottom perimeter of the vase so that I can hide the bottom of the vase where you can see like the styrofoam underneath, and also to give it some creation, some creativity, dimension and stuff like that. So you can add more flowers or less flowers. I'm using what I have on hand at my home, and so I just have one sort of flower to use. However, I really do believe that a nice pop of color would definitely take this up to another notch. And if you know Hannah, then you know me well. I have to add a little bit of bling. So to the lip of the cylinder glass vase, I am going to put my bling there using a hot glue. Now you guys, you don't have to do this. If you want to use pearls or some other type of decoration, or forgo it all together, totally up to you guys. This is just what I like. I'm a bling girl by heart. I do like other styles as well, but the bling always steals my heart. Alright, now I wanted to add some type of like flower that can hang to the top of the arch, and this is all I had on hand, you guys, so I'm just going to use this, but there are other flowers and greeneries that you can use that would give it more of a nicer look, but I'm using what I have. I'm a budget queen, and since I had this on hand, I thought it turned out really well. So all I'm doing is taking that floor piece and I am just bending it up and trying to work with it to get it to give me the look that I am trying to go for. Again, you guys, this step is totally optional. You can add more flowers to the top of your arch, or you can forego it. It's up to you guys what you want to do with it. Make it your own. I'm going to add some flowers, however, to the top portion of it. I just wanted to add a little bit more to the arch and something that will draw your eye up to it as well. So here you're going to see me use these Dollar Tree flowers, wrap them around and secure them to the top part of this hoop. Then I'm adding some leaves just to kind of fill out the spaces. Alright, so I'm taking my tea light candelabra, sitting it down. I'm going to add my tea lights, I'm going to add my hoop, and I am about to reveal to you guys how beautiful and elegant this simple and very cheap DIY turned out. I'm also going to show you guys this LED light here. You can use a real light if you want to, but because some of the moss seems to drop off from time to time, I thought it'd be safer to use a false light in that inner part. So I'm using one, and it is a interchanging color LED light, and I got it from Dollar Tree. So this is the reveal, you guys. I really hope that you enjoyed this DIY. If you like it and you think you may want to recreate it or something like that, then please let me know. Leave me a comment in the comment section below. Thank you guys for watching. If you have not yet subscribed, go ahead and click that subscribe button now. The subscription is totally free. And I hope to see you guys in the next video. If you're feeling generous today, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. See you guys in the next one. Bye bye.